In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book things to do in Expedia. We'll walk through the full process from landing on the site to completing your booking so you can confidently secure activities for your next trip. First, open your browser and go to Expedia.com. When the homepage loads, look at the top menu and choose Things to Do. This switches you to the Activities section where you can search tours, tickets, and experiences. In the Going to field, type your destination and select it from the suggestions. Picking a specific city helps Expedia show the most relevant options. Next, choose your travel dates using the calendar. Select your start and end dates, then click Done to confirm. With your destination and date set, click Search to see what's available. You'll now see a list of attractions and experiences. Take a moment to browse. You can compare titles, photos, ratings, and prices at a glance. Use filters to narrow results by category, duration, price range, or free cancellation. The map view can also help you spot activities near where you're staying. When something catches your eye, open it to view the details page. Here, read the description, what's included and not included, the meeting point, accessibility notes, and the cancellation policy. When you're ready, scroll to check availability. If your dates need tweaking, adjust them here and refresh availability. Choose how many travelers will join the activity. Make sure to match the correct traveler types, like adults or children, if the activity lists different prices or age ranges. Then select your starting time. Some activities offer flexible entry windows, while others have fixed time slots that can sell out during peak hours. Before you proceed, review the total price. Confirm it reflects your selected date, traveler count, and time, and check whether taxes and fees are included in the total. Once everything looks right, click Book to move to checkout. At checkout, you'll confirm who's traveling by entering the required traveler information. Enter names exactly as they appear on a valid ID and add accurate contact details so you receive your confirmation and vouchers. If there are fields for notes or special requirements, fill them in as needed. Next, add your payment method. Ensure the billing address matches your card details and review the currency shown before you pay. If there's a promo code field or available points, apply them now. Finally, click Complete Booking. Wait for the confirmation page and check your email for your voucher or ticket. Download or screenshot your voucher and bring a valid ID if required. That's it. Your experience is booked and you're ready to go.